Hello guys, welcome to our studio. Today we are going to replace this string, the blue white one, with this blue black string, which is a very long one. This is to help us to increase the power of launching the Beyblade itself. Okay, I'm going to show you how we can replace it. It's very simple, guys. Okay, here you can see I'm measuring how far the difference between these two string launcher, and this is the difference from both of it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, first we are going to open first this blue launcher. Both is blue here, as you can see. Okay, first I will open this small one. We have 4 points here, 4 screw to open here. Let's be fast. Okay, and just open the cover, and the black one is quite tight there. Okay, and then just take it out. This thing is in very good condition, because usually people not using this small launcher. That's why it's like new, and it should be very good. Okay, and next, let's keep everything. Okay, and we are going to open this one. For this launcher, we have 6 points, 6 screws to open. Okay, to open it. Yeah, it's fast. See how fast my hand is. Or is the video going to be fast? Okay. Okay. Now, we open it and just remove this one and throw it out. It's very short one. I don't like it, because it will affect your momentum, your launching power. Okay, just replace it with this one. It's very long and very good quality, because it's original Takaratomi string. You see, you just need to point it there. Make sure the hole, you can see there. Just mesh it out and insert it there. Okay, and the string here, just for testing purposes. Make sure everything is correct. Okay, and then just roll it out. Okay, to make sure it's tight. Okay, and put the gold barrel there. Try not doing that, because you see. Okay, again, and I'm doing it again. Okay, let's do it. Okay, first you need to put the cover first before you testing it. Put the cover, blue cover here. Okay, put it there, so that now you are free to testing it. Okay, so that it won't release from the point. Okay, as you can see here, this is on the inside. It means that is left. Left. And put this on left also. Okay, just cover everything, and let's do the screw thing. I will move it fast, so that you won't be boring about closing the screw. See, now it's done. See, yeah, I can pull it as strong as I want, and it's very long, guys. Okay, it's still in very good condition. I love this launcher. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, or you want to comment anything, put it below. Thank you.